tag them. They each have an individual number, and that number becomes their name. There's no right or wrong way about where you put it, but put it where it's easy to see because you've got to find it. 839. Sometimes they get stolen. One of our jobs, someone came and took all the numbers off all the trees. And that's enough. Diameter tape. It's got 2 sides. This is in metric. They're both in metric, even though this side looks like inches. They're not inches. This side, it is well and truly centimeters. 0 starts here. Well, this side, like I say, it's a diameter tape. So when I wrap it around the tree, this tells me the diameter, which is the distance across. So what this measurement is, that is actually, each unit is 1 centimeter times pi, like times 3.14. So if I hold up just the actual centimeter side, I can say, okay, it's about 62. But if I want to go and measure the diameter here with around the whole tree, I can say, oh, actually I was wrong, and it's upside down, but it's more like 58. We always round up, we don't round down, but that's 58 basically. Now, when we're measuring the tree, we're measuring DBH. DBH is diameter at breast height, which is not the same for everybody. So what it is 1.4 meters, which is 4.5 feet. Except in New West, where they go by 1.3 meters for some reason, I don't know why. Just because they want to be different. So then we want to record it. Tree 838 is 58 centimeters diameter, 58 centimeters DBH, and I have to say what type of tree it is. Western red cedar. And I'll do the same for all of them. Then it comes to the assessment, right? So we have to assess every single tree. Technically, we're doing a risk assessment of every tree. So what it means is we have to take into account the roots, the trunk, the branches, the crown. And so when we talk about what is a tree, this goes back to kind of like why I measured it. You know, I measured it because obviously they're all unique. I'll have a different size, but it's how we work out the area of ground that the tree takes up. And what we're using is the DBH times 6. That one was 58, so 58 centimeters times 6 is 348. So, when I describe that tree, it's everything from here and equal distance the other way, about here. And the same equal distance this way. When it comes to doing the assessment, I'm going to I'll either start with the top or the bottom, but I want to think about all the parts. I'm going to think about the ground, so I'm not only thinking about what's there at the tree, I'm thinking about all this area. So this tree, one of the first things I'd say is, oh, there's a driveway inside the tree zone. There's a little bit of retaining wall and a little bit of soil was added there. Over here it's natural. Then I'm going to start and look around at the base. I'm looking for any sort of wounds. This being right in the driveway, that's, you know, some cars knocked it, some tires have knocked it at some point in time. Then I'll look up at the trunk. Okay, it's been pruned. A lot of the branches have been cut, but also I noticed that the tree was topped a long time ago, so it was topped and it's got a couple new tops. That's all in the notes for tree number 838. And then we repeat for every tree.